Hi, in this lecture, let's continue with 3D text with self-illumination. And here within the sample model, we have already done the material application and lighting. And I have set several camera views. For example, we can go to Cam 4 night view, and this is the night view. And we also have another camera position, that is the Cam 5 night view, that is displaying all the material application. Here we have the wall shade light and a wall picture, and we have a can product and a CD cover, glass, and so on. And the important thing is this 3D text. And if I open the render window, we have already done the rendering. And here I can see everything very clearly. Now, here if you focus on the 3D text, the 3D text is illuminating in all direction. Now, if I want to block in the front direction, I can apply another material to the front. So let's try that. For this, I'm going to switch to 2D wireframe, and here I'll zoom into the text. And I'm going to select this text and say CO enter to copy. And I'm going to copy from here to here. Now again, I'll get into realistic visual styles, and I'll select the front part of the text, and I'll go to my material browser, and I have loaded some of the materials here already, and I'll select this particular material and assign to the selection. Now I have a different look here. Now again, I'll go back to my camera view, that is the Cam 5 night view, and I'm going to render this one. Now the rendering is completed, and here I can compare with the previous rendering, and this is my previous rendering, and this is the latest one. Okay, let's do one more rendering. I'll close the render window, and I'll change my view to something like this. Now when I zoom in, I can find it is jumping to a far away. I cannot control, I cannot smoothly zoom in. So in that case, what you can do is I can change my visual styles to 2D wireframe, then I can zoom and I can say RE enter. Again, I'll change my visual styles to realistic and check whether it is in the perspective projection. Now I'll zoom as per my requirement. Now I want to render this soda can and the CD cover that I've already made. Now I'll render. Okay, the rendering is completed. Here, if I'm satisfied with this render, I can go for the advanced render settings and I can render for the final output. Okay, in this lecture, we have gone through with the 3D text with self-illumination. With this idea, let's continue to the next lecture.